Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I brought to my international viewers a new recipe which is called Achari Bhindi. So without wasting any further time, let's get into it. Firstly, wash the lady fingers and cut its head and tip. Then make cut in the center of each lady finger and cut the rest of the lady fingers like this. Now for seasoning, add 4 tablespoons coriander powder, 2 tablespoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoons achari masala. Now put 4 lemons juice. Mix it and make a thick paste. Now take the lady finger and fill the space inside the cut off lady finger and fill the rest of the lady fingers like this. Now the filling is done. Now take a pot and add 1.5 cup of oil into it. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and cook it until it goes brown. After that, add lady fingers into the pot. And let it cook for 3 minutes on low flame. Then open the lid, mix it. Cover the lid and again cook it for 3 to 4 minutes from other side. Now open the lid and cook it on high flame for 5 minutes. Now turn off the flame and our Achari Bhindi is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I need your support guys, and do let me know in the comments down below how do you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like this video and share it. Bye bye!